Yo, what's up, credit repair business owners and funding experts? You already know I'm here to help you hit more consistent six-figure-a-month marks. And today, it all starts out with pricing, guys. I'm gonna show you exactly how you should price your services so you can hit those six-figure-a-month marks. I'm dealing with people that still have broken bumpers compared to people that have Lamborghinis and McLarens in their garages. And there's one key aspect of their businesses that really separates the two. It's which case is your pricing. What you price is what you're going to attract. I don't want you dealing with cheap people that always complain. I want you dealing with people that you can charge upwards of 3K plus. They pay you and they're like, hey, let me know when you're done. Those are the best type of clients to work with, and that's how you should scale your business. So today, I'm going to show exactly how to price. So let's go to the live strategy session right now. Boom. I absolutely fucking love that. And personal branding means everything in this space. Because if someone likes you, they're going to be willing to pay more, like straight up. You know, business owners, they don't rely on the number. They rely on the value they're going to get off of it. So if you're clearing bankruptcies, bro, and they need that, they're going to pay whatever the fuck you say. Honestly.
I think they would. Exactly.
Let me give you an example before we continue, because this is fucking huge. Excuse me. I got two types of clients that kind of come to me. And I'm cutting out the first client, but because I don't like dealing with those people anymore. But so revenue over here. I got one client over here that's charging around $100 per month. Okay, let's just say pretend that's 100. I got another client that's charging 3,000. Now, $100 compared to 3,000. Now, based upon this, okay, client A, client B over here. Okay, client A charges $100. Client B charges 1,000. Which one do you think are the clients constantly complaining and constantly asking for updates? Now, which client do you think says, hey, how can I pay you and let me know when it's done?
The higher price one just wants to pay and is expecting more done for you. The one that's like paying the $100 a month, every month they're thinking, why am I paying this? And like, they just make the Netflix subscription fee seem like it's such a grandiose type of fee. And yeah, I've experienced both. Like, yeah, I've had 42 transactions last year, doubled over 20 clients last year. I see the difference like night and day between the two. Yeah.
And now my last one, my favorite one, bro. Who has the Lambo in the garage and who has a broken